In this video, I'm going to show you how to become certified in QuickBooks and get a job in accounting. Hey there, my name is Robert and I'm a QuickBooks expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become certified in QuickBooks and get a job in accounting. The process is really simple and takes just a few hours of your time. Plus, the certification will open up doors for you in the accounting world. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Step 1. Purchase the QuickBooks Certification exam. The first step to becoming QuickBooks certified is to purchase the certification exam. The exam costs $200 and can be purchased online or at a local testing center. You can find more information about the exam and how to purchase it here. https://www.quickbooks-training.net/quickbooks-certification-exam. Step 2. Study for the QuickBooks Certification exam. Once you have purchased the exam, it's time to start studying. There are a few different ways that you can study for the exam. You can purchase a study guide, take an online course, or attend a live class. If you purchase a study guide, we recommend that you get one from an authorized QuickBooks training provider. This way, you can be sure that the information in the guide is accurate and up to date. We also offer an online course that will help you prepare for the exam. The course includes over 5 hours of video instruction, as well as practice questions and quizzes. You can sign up for the course here. https://www.quickbooks-training.net/online-course. If you prefer to learn in a live setting, they offer a 2-day QuickBooks certification prep class. The class is taught by a certified QuickBooks Pro advisor and includes a study guide, practice exams, and tips for passing the exam. You can find more information about the class here. https://www.quickbooks-training.net/live-class. Step 3. Take the QuickBooks Certification exam. Once you have studied for the exam, it's time to take it. The exam is taken online and consists of 100 multiple-choice questions. You will have 2 hours to complete the exam, and you must achieve a passing score of 70% or higher to receive your certification. Once you have passed the exam, you will receive a QuickBooks certification certificate that you can add to your resume. You will also be listed on the QuickBooks Certified Pro Advisor directory, which is a great way to market your services to potential clients. Conclusion. That's it. Now you know how to become QuickBooks certified and get a job in accounting. The process is simple and only takes a few hours of your time. Plus, the certification will open up doors for you in the accounting world. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.